Hey everyone, Matt King with the King Piers team. We're up here with another update on our project in DeSoto, Kansas. As you can see right here, we are nearing completion on the excavation of our King Pier holes. We're doing 3 King Pier Is, which are going to be installed 49 inches below the footing with a first pour of concrete prior to the pier installation, and once that first pour is done, we'll then be 13 inches below that footing, and we're going to be doing that on the corners of the foundation here. So we have King Pier 1, first one right here. On the other side of the stoop, we have two King Pier IIs. You can see right here, we're at the footing there, got a lot of rock we're gonna have to break up to get access underneath it. And then our second King Pier II in progress right over there. King Pier 1, number 2. We're under the footing, just doing the excavation to get further along there. Let me navigate around the mountain of dirt here. That's one thing on all of these projects, there is so much dirt left over since we're replacing it with so much steel and concrete. So, like with all of our projects, it's the prep work that takes the longest. The actual installation of the pier really only takes a few minutes. So here's a better shot of the second King Pier 1 hole. Remember, we're going 49 inches below that footing. Our third King Pier 2. We're just 13 inches below. That one's ready to go. And then our third King Pier 1. You can see the footing right there. We're just trying to get 49 inches below. And we're making sure all the holes that we're working in are properly shored up so we don't chance any kind of cave-ins or anything like that. So we're trying to do everything as sound as possible to avoid any kind of complications. So right now we're hoping we should be able to get the excavation finished up today, do our first pour of concrete for our 3 King Pier 1 holes as early in the morning tomorrow as we possibly can, and then later in the afternoon we'll go ahead and get the actual piers placed and raised, and then Thursday we'll do that final pour of concrete to encase the piers up to the footing. And then if we can get that done early on Thursday, since we use a high-strength concrete reinforced with fiber, it sets up fairly fast, so we're able to go ahead and get some of the initial backfill done on Thursday as well. So we should be able to get everything finished up on Friday here. So stay tuned for more updates. You can go to our website, www.kingpiers.com. You can find all our pictures, videos from current and past jobs on our YouTube and Facebook channels. And of course, you can always just give us a call, 1-816-288-4373.